check out this ultrasonic cleaner. This is going to be used for cleaning tools pretty much. I'm going to be cleaning some sockets with it today. If you got dirty bolts, tools, pliers, pretty much anything, you can use this ultrasonic cleaner. It's going to do a better job and be a little bit easier on your hands and stuff from, instead of manually scrubbing everything. You can just kind of throw it in here, let the ultrasonic cleaner do its work. So it's going to come with a basket. You got your manual, you got your lid, and your power cord. Okay, so we got it plugged in. We got our basket here. We'll pull a couple things out that are dirty. Okay, that's enough right now just for demonstration purposes. You can put some more in it if you want to. But now I'm going to fill it up with half degreaser and half water. So you can see what I got in here. My wife also wanted to throw her Pandora bracelet in here, so we're going to try that too. Just make sure nothing is touching the bottle. Now I'm going to flip the button to on the back. See, it's all turned on. We're going to set the temperature in Celsius, 60. We're going to set the 5 minutes is fine. Put our lid on, which is going to help with the sound. Hit on. Hear it going on there. Pretty loud, so you don't want to have this anywhere where that noise is going to bother anyone. But yeah, we're going to come back after 5 minutes and see how it does. Okay, so here's the result right out of the thing. I didn't wipe them off or anything like that. That one still has a little bit of stuff on there. I bet I could leave it in a little bit longer and it would be all the way clean, but I'm not really sure what that is on there. Surprisingly though, my wife's charm bracelet, this stuff is actually kind of hot. My wife's charm bracelet actually looks a lot cleaner. You guys got to maybe put it back to the front and see how dirty it was, but it looks brighter to me. Like I said, it was only in there for 5 minutes. I'm sure if I put it in for 30 minutes, which you can, it would be a lot cleaner. But even after 5 minutes, it was a noticeable difference. So yeah, pretty cool ultrasonic cleaner. The temperature got way up there. You see it's still climbing right now. You might want to, whatever you set it to, you might want to just let it get that hot before you start it. But other than that, worked pretty good, I think. This one here is pretty clean. The foam picks up a lot more than your regular eye does, but it looks pretty clean. And this stuff right here, I think that's glue. So it probably is never going to come off unless I get like a razor or something like that, get it off with that. But yep, ultrasonic cleaner. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.